Hello guys, today I will show you how you can replace the battery of your Opel Corsa key. Take a very small flathead screwdriver and then you can open the key. Like so. And then it's very easy to release the battery. Just do it like that. It's a CR2032 from Panasonic. And then we can take a new battery from Energizer. Also CR2032 lithium. It's the best to do that you not touch it with your fingers. So take a piece of cotton to replace it. And now we lay it in like that. First that side and like so. And then just closed up. Like that. And that is how you replace the old battery CR2032 lithium from your car, from your Opel or Vauxhall Corsa. This is from a Corsa Day from building year 2012. Thanks for watching guys. Bye bye. Works perfect.